Hello everyone, welcome to my pouring station. Tonight I will be mixing a lot of blues and a lot of purples and 2 greens, and we will be doing some flip cups to see if we can get those awesome golden cells. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Hello everyone. It is Diane, and I have my blue colors mixed, and I'm going to do 4 flip cups, and if they float, great. If they don't, that's fine. This is an Artist Loft Level 2 12 by 18 canvas, I believe. Maybe 16, something like that. So I am including y'all in the layering of the cups. Specifically, I've had people message me that they would like to see how I layer the cups, and so here we go. So I will tell you the names as I go. This is Craft Smart Navy, which I really like, and I'm going to put a little in each cup. These cups have been sprayed with WD-40 silicone spray, so the paint will release better for me. I'm just pouring it in. If you don't want to see the layering of the paints, feel free to fast forward if you're not already. Just fine. I get it, man. I get it. Can't please everyone. This is Liquitex Baby Blue. And I'm just putting them down the sides because that's the way I want it to go. Excuse my husband for sneezing in the background. You know, when you gotta sneeze, you gotta sneeze. So I'm thinking that there's not enough of this to go around a second time, so I'm just going to add this blue in here. And then we're done with that blue. The next blue is Soho Urban Artist Acrylic Aquamarine Blue. Go in with that next. It's nice and bright. I mixed all these with the GAC 800, 1 ounce to 1 ounce. I knew that was going to happen. I felt it. I felt it was going to happen. I'm hoping for monstrous cells like I've seen. I think Doug gets it with the GAC 800. I'm hoping that I also am able to get those kind of beautiful cells. Next, after that, we're going to go in with some of this teal. This is Folk Art Teal, which is, as you see, a metallic. I'm just going to go right here so you can see it and I'm not over the canvas. And I'm just going to, like I said, flip and float these cups is my intention. I do want to get them pretty high up, even though I have a good, fairly liquid light base, or fairly light white base. I can talk. Okay, after the teal, we're going to go in, this is called Lake Blue by Master's Touch, and I really like this blue. It's pretty. I've never done just all blues. This is the first. It's killing me not to put something else in it, but I won't. I won't do it. They'll be all blues. And you know, worst case scenario, it doesn't look good and then we smash. Because I've seen that's what a lot of people are doing as their it didn't work out, so let's do a balloon smash. So I'm going to get some of my paintings digitally photographed so people can order prints off of Redbubble. So look for that coming down if there's a particular painting you like and is not available because someone else wants it. Just let me know and I will make sure we get a print. So I'm going back in with, what is this blue? Oh, this is the Navy by Craftsmart. Going back in on top of that. I am definitely going to get a digital copy of the painting that I kept with the bird. It was like my third balloon smash and everybody went crazy over it and everybody wanted to buy it. And I'm keeping it because I like it. And it goes with, it's finally a piece of art that goes with my decor, so. So yeah, you might be able to buy a print of it though, which would be cool. Alright, and this is called Cobalt Blue, and this is by Master's Touch. And I think I'm just going to layer that on top if it lets me. I have enough, which I think I do. I think there's so much silicone in these cups though. I am going to give it a once-over stir. Sorry if you can't see everything I'm doing on camera, but I'm telling you what I'm layering here. And then when I do the flip, I'll bring it in closer. Just get rid of my cups. Very excited to be trying some new things, and I'll upload them and see if you guys like watching them, and if you don't, that's fine. I don't think it's going to be alcohol inks because I didn't care for that so much. It was okay. Alright, now I'll get my stir stick and we'll give these a little stir. They all have the same paints in them. So just a little bitty stir. But you know, none will come out the same because that just never happens, ever. So flip, 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 and flip. Bring these two over. Alright, well that's good. I see the paint coming down, so that makes me happy. I could let it float, but 4 floating cups? Ah, what the heck. I'm gonna get a pin. Let's live on the wild side. Honey, I'm recording. Alright, I can't find my pins. Pardon my phone. I'm just so popular tonight. So, let's do this, and then we're gonna go this way and do it this way. This, like I said, this white is really thin, so I do not, if I have choice, I'd rather it not go under the white, under the white. I can't talk either tonight. Man, I'm on a roll. But it is going under the white, and that's all right. Let's just torch it a little bit and let those cells form. Come on, cells. Show me what you got. This should be plenty of paint for the canvas. I'm gonna kind of move it around. Hope those cells get big. Nice big cells, please. Alright, sit that there for a moment. I'd rather have big cells and have to blow out some of it than not have big cells. Apologize for my phone. Normally I have it on silence, and anybody who tries to call me knows that. I like the green coming up in there. It's like a seafoam green. It's coming up here too. All right, let's let that sit a minute and see what it looks like in a minute. Okay, so it's settling up quite nicely. I haven't been able to decide if I want to airbrush it or not. I'm gonna move it around a little bit and see what we get. Bring it back. Down. That's pretty cool. Kinda dig it. Just the way it is. Just making sure none of this tape on this side is sticking. Kind of like it like that. I don't think I want to airbrush it or anything. I do hope it sells up more. I did torch it, which I will do again right now real quick. See if we can get some other cells to come up. I'm not a fan of the tiny cells, but that's always what I seem to get. Although I see some caterpillars coming up. That's good. Come on, caterpillars. Oh my goodness. I think I really like this. I mean, really like it. Blue is my favorite color though. So there you go. There you have it. All right, let me let that sit for a minute and then I'll take you down for a look. All right, so after that dip, I have quite a bit of paint, and so I'm gonna put, not dip, after, that wasn't a dip I did, but this is gonna be a dip. I'm going to make some coasters. I'm hoping I can get at least 4. There's some great teal colors in with these blues, and so I'm hoping I can get enough. Probably should put some gloves on, but that's all right. Too late now. Just making sure my sides are covered. that's pretty. So I am going to set this down over here. Excuse my reach if I'm in the camera. And I'm going to do a dip right here, which may or may not cover it. I'm just using my fingers for the paint. That's fine. It's fine. Just need to make sure I got the edges covered. Because I covered the backs with cork boards, so the back will be cool. That looks cool. Looks like waves and all these colors with the teal. That'll be really nice. I'm going to set that one down there. Probably only going to get 4 out of this because it's just going to get too messy and muddy. So I'm going to go right here and make sure I got my edges covered. This, I don't think I saw any teal in it. It just has all the different blues, which is fine. It doesn't have to have teal in it every time. It's just pretty cool when it does because that's metallic. Still very cool. All sorts of blues, which I will gently set over here. Okay. I do need to get one more out of this, which shouldn't be a problem. Just making some room on my table. Alright. Now I would like to get some teal, which is kind of all over the place, so I'm kind of just going to do that. Gonna get my nails done tomorrow, but I don't know if there's a point in that because I go to get a manicure and she's like, do you paint? Yes, I do. Ooh, that's pretty. Just gonna set this down here. Just since I have paint here, I'm going to touch up any ends. Alright, that looks good. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. I welcome all comments down below. If you need my email, it's in the description below. And please smash that like button and join me on another painting.